Hello, Chef here. I've got some butternut squash and I'm making some waffle cut squash out of this today. I want to show you what I'm using. I've got the professional model brawn mandolin, and you just take the squash, adjust the thickness on the mandolin to the desired thickness. You take the squash and you give them a push like this. And then if you like, you can turn it a few degrees, and right there I'm creating awesome waffle cut squash. Check it out. Yeah. Now for more recipes and tips, you got to visit the sponsor, and you can find out all about this, how to buy this, the cut proof butcher glove, awesome, and you know how to get your own waffle cuts going. Pretty cool. Quite often we saute them. Really good stuff. Very healthy. You can also just eat it raw if you like to. Thanks for watching and have a great day. To finish, sauteed butternut squash. Looks wonderful. Yeah, you gotta have that.